Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use Greenbot in Discord. First, go ahead to your Google search and type Greenbot Discord. Then just click on the Greenbot app and then invite it to Discord. Then just go ahead and allow Greenbot to access your Discord account. Then add the bot to your server. Now you'll be directed to the dashboard, but on your upper left, just click on the drop-down menu and choose Greenbot 2. Then just choose the server you want to connect Greenbot to. Authorize him to be your administrator, and then you'll be redirected to your Discord page. Now go ahead and make a new channel for your Greenbot, and for you to use it, you need to enter to a voice channel. Now still on your text channel, just go ahead and type /join, and the bot will automatically join your voice channel. Now to play music, just type /play, and on the query, just type the title of the song. Now this message will appear, which means that Greenbot is playing your song on the voice channel. You can stop it, pause it, skip it, or you can just type /stop if you want to stop, and etc. Now the bot actually has other functions. You can just go and type /help to see the different commands and how to configure the bot. It also has a premium access, so if you want, you can have different features. Now here are the commands. Whenever you want to use it, just type it with a /. Now we also have a music quiz feature, which you can also check on your dashboard. Just go back to your browser, and on the left side, just choose music quiz. Here you can enable the quiz and configure how you want it to be played. After you've edited it, just save changes, then go back to your Discord. Now just go ahead and type /music quiz, then and paste the link of the playlist you want to be quizzed about. Now this message will pop up. As the member, you can participate, or if you're the manager, just click on start the game. And that's it. Hope this helps.